And I'm Lourdes Duarte. We begin with the state. It wants to make it easier for people who are returning to work to get vaccinated near their jobs.
WGN's Sean Lewis live downtown with more on a new partnership with the managers of commercial buildings. Sean?
Yeah, Ben, Lourdes, kind of the logical next step here is those businesses and the buildings and the businesses inside of them look at bringing their workers back into the office. These first 10 locations open up starting next Monday. This afternoon, the move back to downtown offices begins. At least, that's the hope.
Starting this week, if you work downtown in Chicago and other cities across Illinois, work is quite literally where the vaccines will be.
This morning, Governor J.B. Pritzker, Chicago Mayor Lori Lightfoot, and others revealed a plan to bring vaccinations closer to workers.
For the first time since we started vaccinating folks in December, we have vaccine that is available in all parts of the city without having to wait. You can walk up now to many places.
Starting next Monday, May 17th, these 10 locations, from the Merchandise Mart and 7 others downtown to Rockford and suburban Schaumburg, will have clinics open to workers of those buildings and anyone else needing the vaccine. The state is contracting with Walgreens to run them all.
By providing vaccinations in Loop office buildings and soon in office buildings across the state, we are making it even more convenient to get the shot.
State health officials are stressing the need to get more people vaccinated.
As long as the virus is able to circulate, it can mutate and we can end up with more deadly variants, which would send us in the wrong direction.
But that direction seems to have a long way to go, even as what used to be a very busy LaSalle Street is nearly vacant today.
When we all get vaccinated, we can return to work and kids can go back to school safely. This is the right things to do.
The governor says the state is willing to open up more of these pop-up clinics in other buildings with other businesses if they want to partner with the state. You can contact the Illinois Department of Public Health. Again, these first 10 locations open up next Monday afternoon. You can get the complete list again at WGNTV.com. For now, we are live along the lakefront and the riverfront. Sean Lewis, WGN News.
It is a pretty backdrop. Yeah. Thanks, John. The Illinois Department of Public Health is reporting the fewest number of new COVID cases in nearly 2 months. 1,424 new confirmed and probable cases in the last day. Another 12 people have died. The average case positivity rate dropped to 2.8%. That's the lowest level since the end of March. More now on the key